Could you please make us a beef stew dinner? Sure. How about some collard greens, macaroni and cheese, and cornbread too? I put my ham hocks on and cook them until they become tender. Put some flour in a Ziploc bag and I season it with salt and pepper. I put vegetable oil in the pan and I heat it up. Put the beef stew meat in the bag and I coat it with the flour. When the oil is hot, I add the beef and I brown it on all sides. Once I remove the brown meat, I add 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. I scrape the brown pieces from the bottom of the pan. I add a half a cup of beef broth. Pour it over the brown meat. I add 5 cups of beef broth, 3 bay leaves, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1/2 tablespoon of black pepper, 1/2 tablespoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of thyme. I add these seasonings into my beef stew. I stir in a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce and a tablespoon of soy sauce. Once it comes to a boil, I cover and let it simmer for about 1.5 hours to 30 minutes. I dice up an onion and add it to my pot. I preheat my oven to 400. I put 2 tablespoons of butter and vegetable oil in my pan, 1 cup of cornmeal, 1/2 cup of flour, 1 egg, and 3/4 cups of milk, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and the melted butter and oil. I pour it in a dish and bake it at 400 for 20 to 25 minutes.